Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Replacing an evaporator vent solenoid, a simple step-by-step guide. Ever wondered why some people manage to stay fit and healthy as they age while others struggle? It's all about effective aging strategies that are simple yet powerful. In this video, we'll dive into key habits and choices that can help you maintain your vitality and health well into your later years. Whether you're approaching your golden years or are looking out for loved ones, these insights are tailored to make the journey enjoyable and enriching. Get ready to discover how adopting certain lifestyle changes can lead to a longer, healthier life. Understanding the evaporation vent solenoid. In modern vehicles, the evaporation vent solenoid plays a crucial role in the emission control system by managing the release of harmful vapors from the fuel tank into the atmosphere. Understanding how this component works and recognizing signs of malfunction can aid in maintaining a healthy vehicle and reducing environmental impact. Functionality of the evaporation vent solenoid. The evaporation vent solenoid is a small, yet mighty, device that controls the flow of fuel vapor from the fuel tank to the charcoal canister for storage. By regulating this process, it prevents harmful hydrocarbons from escaping into the environment and contributes to a cleaner atmosphere. When the engine is running, the solenoid opens to allow the vapors to be drawn into the engine and burned off efficiently, reducing emissions. Signs of a faulty evaporation vent solenoid. Detecting a faulty evaporation vent solenoid is vital to ensure proper vehicle performance and emission control. Common indicators of a failing solenoid include the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. Additionally, if you notice a persistent fuel odor near your vehicle, it could be a sign of a leak in the evaporation vent solenoid, prompting the need for replacement. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent further damage and ensure your vehicle operates optimally within emission regulations. By understanding the functionality of the evaporation vent solenoid and recognizing symptoms of potential malfunction, you can proactively address issues related to your vehicle's emission control system, promoting both vehicle longevity and environmental responsibility. Replacement process. Locating the evaporation vent solenoid. The evaporation vent solenoid in your vehicle is commonly found near the charcoal canister or the fuel tank. It is usually located under the hood, close to the engine compartment. Look for a small, cylindrical component with electrical connectors and hoses connected to it. Tools required for replacement. To successfully replace the evaporation vent solenoid, you will need a few specific tools. Make sure you have a set of wrenches, both standard and metric sizes, to fit different bolts and nuts. Additionally, have a screwdriver set with various types and sizes to help with removing screws and connectors. Removing the old solenoid. Before beginning the removal process, ensure the vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool. Start by disconnecting the electrical connectors attached to the solenoid. Use the appropriate wrench or screwdriver to loosen and remove any mounting bolts or brackets securing the solenoid in place. Carefully detach any hoses connected to the solenoid, taking note of their positions for reinstallation. Installing the new evaporation vent solenoid. To install the replacement evaporation vent solenoid, first, connect the hoses back to their respective ports on the new solenoid. Secure the solenoid in place using the mounting bolts or brackets. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. Finally, reconnect the electrical connectors to the new solenoid. Double-check all your steps to avoid any loose connections before restarting the vehicle. Remember to refer to your vehicle's manual or seek professional assistance if you encounter any difficulties during the replacement process. By following these steps carefully, you can successfully replace the evaporation vent solenoid in your vehicle. Testing the replacement. Once the new evaporation vent solenoid has been installed, it is crucial to conduct thorough testing to ensure its proper functionality. Testing the replacement solenoid helps verify that the part is working correctly, preventing any potential issues down the line. In the following subsections, we will go over essential steps to take when testing the replacement solenoid. Checking for leaks. To begin testing the replacement solenoid, it is essential to check for any leaks that may indicate a faulty installation or a defective part. Start by visually inspecting the area around the solenoid for any signs of leakage, such as wet spots or dripping fluids. Additionally, you can use a leak detection dye or a UV light to identify any hidden leaks that may not be immediately visible. Addressing leaks promptly is crucial to prevent further damage to the vehicle system. Clearing error codes. After installing and testing the replacement solenoid, it is common to encounter error codes that were triggered by the previous faulty solenoid. To clear these error codes, you can use an OBD2 scanner to reset the vehicle's computer system. Connect the scanner to the vehicle's OBD2 port and follow the prompts to clear any stored error codes related to the solenoid replacement. This step helps ensure that the vehicle's onboard computer recognizes the new solenoid and eliminates any lingering issues from the old part. Testing the replacement solenoid through leak checks and error code clearing is a crucial part of the installation process. By following these steps, you can verify the proper functioning of the new solenoid and ensure that your vehicle's emission system operates efficiently. Maintenance tips. Regular inspection is key to ensuring the longevity of your evaporation vent solenoid. We recommend checking the solenoid every 6 months to ensure it's functioning optimally. By inspecting the evaporation vent solenoid regularly, you can catch any potential issues early on and prevent costly repairs down the line. Regular inspection. Inspecting your evaporation vent solenoid on a routine basis can help you identify any signs of wear and tear. Start by visually examining the solenoid for any visible damage or loose connections. Next, test the solenoid to ensure it opens and closes properly. If you notice any abnormalities during the inspection, it's important to address them promptly to prevent further damage. Keeping connections clean. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for your evaporation vent solenoid is keeping the electrical connections clean. Dirty or corroded connections can impact the solenoid's performance and even lead to malfunctions. To prevent this, regularly clean the electrical connections using a soft brush or cloth to remove any debris or buildup. Additionally, applying dielectric grease to the connections can help protect them from corrosion and ensure optimal performance. Regular maintenance of your evaporation vent solenoid is essential for extending its lifespan and avoiding unexpected breakdowns. By following these tips for inspection and connection cleaning, you can ensure that your solenoid operates efficiently and reliably for years to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.